Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disabling the alarm or setting service mode so you don't trigger alerts. This protects the system while you work. Next, remove the cover, usually 2 screws or a snap hinge, so you can access the battery compartment. If the unit is mounted high, use a stable ladder and a flashlight to see connectors clearly. Cleaning dust with a soft cloth prevents poor contacts. Once open, note battery orientation and connector type before pulling the old battery. Now you disconnect the old battery by depressing the connector clip and sliding it out. You do this to avoid damaging the wiring. Install the replacement, aligning positive and negative as noted. Connectors usually click in when seated correctly, which ensures proper polarity and prevents shorts. Make sure the battery is positioned so it won't shift when the cover goes back on, and check that any retention clips engage. After connecting, press the sensor's tamper switch to confirm the compartment registers closed. Finish by closing the cover and tightening screws just enough to secure the housing while avoiding cracked plastic. Proper fit preserves weatherproofing and tamper detection. Then restore the panel from service mode and run a sensor or walk test to confirm motion detection and signal strength. If the sensor fails to report, make sure the connector is fully seated, the replacement battery is charged and correct type, and the tamper switch is depressed. If needed, reseat wiring and repeat the test to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.